Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X in a desert sun exterior. This one is powered by a 2.7 liter TurboMax engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our Obsidian Rush interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with the AEV badge up top and our red stitching along the side. If we follow that stitching all the way down to the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. And back up top, we do have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our volume scroller here on the top left, and right below that, we do have our dual climate controls. Further down, you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports, our wireless charging pad, our drive modes, shifter, park brake, and our cup holders here in the middle. Inside of our middle console, we have additional storage and space for anything you might need inside. Moving along this beautiful Obsidian Rush interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that, we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks and our seat memory settings, and if you take a look up in the windshield here, you'll find our heads-up display. Moving back down to the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls, our heated steering wheel controls, and our menu selector here at the bottom. On the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our forward collision alert. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera and all your other settings here down below. This vehicle also does come equipped with keyless entry, remote start, and push-to-start ignition. And up top, we have our power controls for our lovely sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our Obsidian Rush interior leather seats with those lovely red seat belts. Plenty of space and room for anyone sitting back here. If we take a look in the middle, you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports to go alongside our two vents, two cup holders, our AC outlet there at the bottom, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, you can find extra storage underneath the seats itself. If you take a look here on the right-hand side, you'll find a lever. Just give that a pull, and these seats will pop up no problem for extra storage space. In the middle, we have our cup holders, and last but not least, our sliding rear window. Checking out the exterior here on our Canyon AT4X, we do have our GMC badge in the middle of our grille with our front-facing camera, LED headlights and fog lamps. Moving along to the side here, we have 17-inch black rims on our Goodyear Wrangler tires, black accent side mirrors and handles with keyless entry, tint in the rear window, and if you make our way to the back here, you'll see we do have the AEV badge on the left-hand side and the AT4X badge on the right. Opening up our tailgate here, it'll come down no problem, hands-free, to lead you to our spray-on bed liner, our 120-volt outlet here on the right-hand side, and our tire holder at the back. And that is our 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X in a desert sun exterior. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.